Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hello, Mr. Carter. I'm Elsa from the YouTube channel Everyday Dialogue. Thank you for your time.
Hi, Elsa. Please call me Jack. Nice to meet you.
Congratulations on being chosen as Firefighter of the Year.
Thank you. It's a big honor, but I'm just doing my job.
Why did you choose this career?
I always wanted to help people. It was a calling.
What's the hardest part of your job?
Every part can be challenging, but seeing people in danger is the toughest.
Was there a time when you felt heartbroken?
Yes, once we arrived at a fire, but we were too late. That was very hard.
And when did you feel the happiest?
Last month, we saved a baby from a burning house. That moment was priceless.
Have you ever been in a dangerous situation yourself?
Yes, once burning debris fell near me. My uniform burned, but I was safe.
How do you handle the stress?
I talk with my team. We support each other. Also, I spend time with my family. It helps me relax.
What does your family think about your job?
They are proud but worried. I always tell them I'm careful.
Do you have any children?
Yes, a daughter. She's 5 years old. She wants to be a firefighter too.
That's so sweet. What's her name?
Her name is Lily. She's my little hero.
How do you train for this job?
We practice every week. We learn how to use equipment and save people.
What kind of equipment do you use?
We use helmets, axes, hoses, and oxygen masks. Every tool is important.
Have you ever rescued an animal?
Yes, many times. Last week, we saved a cat from a tree.
That's amazing. Do you work in shifts?
Yes, we work 24-hour shifts. Then we have 48 hours off.
What do you do during your free time?
I play with Lily, watch movies, or go for a walk.
Do you have any hobbies?
I love cooking. It helps me forget about work stress.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I make a great spaghetti. Lily loves it too.
How do you stay fit for the job?
I go to the gym and run every morning. It's essential for this job.
What advice do you have for young people who want to be firefighters?
Study hard, stay healthy, and be ready to help others.
Have you ever worked with other emergency services?
Yes, we often work with police and paramedics. Teamwork saves lives.
What's the most common emergency call you receive?
Most calls are for house fires or car accidents.
How can people prevent fires at home?
Don't leave cooking unattended. Check your heaters and have smoke alarms.
What do you think about social media and your job?
It's good for sharing safety tips, but sometimes people share false information.
Do you ever get scared during a rescue?
Sometimes, but training helps me stay focused.
What's the best part of being a firefighter?
Helping people and making a difference, that's the best feeling.
How do you celebrate after a successful rescue?
We usually have a cup of coffee together and talk about it.
What would you be if you weren't a firefighter?
Maybe a teacher. I love helping children learn.
Do you have a message for our YouTube viewers?
I wish everyone health and peace. I hope everyone lives without accidents or war.
Thank you, Jack. This was an inspiring conversation.
Thank you for having me. Take care of yourselves. Bye.